Hi, in this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to unblock someone on TikTok. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to learn how to block and unblock a user on your TikTok. And right now, I'm on my Android phone. You can follow these same steps in your iPhone also. First of all, go ahead and open your TikTok app, and to block someone, you have to open the user account first. So tap on the search icon at the top right corner, and in this search box just write the TikTok account name or username, and here tap on the account whom you want to block, and now just tap on this arrow icon, tap on this share icon, and here tap on block, and here you can see I've successfully blocked this TikTok account. And now I'll show you how to see your block list and unblock someone. To do that, you have to go to your TikTok profile. So tap on profile at the bottom right, and now from your profile page tap on this hamburger menu at the top right, and here tap on settings and privacy, and here tap on privacy settings. Once you're in privacy settings, scroll down, and here tap on blocked accounts, and this is your blocked list. Here you'll find all of your blocked TikTok accounts. Now all you have to need to unblock anyone, just tap on unblock next to the account, and the account will be unblocked. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.